in action. We're back in the action, boys. Damn, it's been a minute, man. I want to start the video off to say thank you for joining back, and here's a giveaway. Y'all know we got a lot of shit lying around the house of old jewelry that we've unboxed that I don't do anything with. I'm gonna put together another one, little package with all that jewelry in it for one of you guys. Comment thumbs up down below, you're entered. My Instagram's right here. You can go DM me saying you did it, or I could try to message you on YouTube, you know? Congrats, and this is why we've been gone, because the fucking Border Patrol, bro. They're holding all my damn packages. I could have come up with other videos, but I had a sponsored video with someone that they needed it out before any of my other weird conditions. I just cut it off with them because I'm not holding off filming for much longer. Now, with that being said, first off, neighborandfam.com, link is down below. Free jewelry on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. Also, mystery boxes, man, $24.99. It's a good deal. Good, get it. Peace. That's our only sponsorship because I just cut them all off with the others. So, give us money now. Alright, man, on to the video now. Sometimes in times of crisis being all world issues really, but my package is being held at the border because I ordered 5 illegal things one time. Apparently they never forget. Allegedly. I don't know, this is bad for the law. Anyway, last night Ian and I were smoking a doob, not gonna lie. I was gonna lie to you guys, but I'm not gonna lie. And I was complaining to him about the packages not coming in and not having anything to unbox for you guys. And not being able to unbox was kind of pissing me off. So I woke up this morning to a damn text. And Ian sent me downstairs. Actually, I'll just roll the clip. He sent me downstairs to, he said, yo, I got something for you for a video. You know what I mean? So sometimes friends come in clutch, bro. And it looks, well, I'll just roll the clip of me doing this before the video, huh? What's going on, boys? May or may not be part of the video we're filming today, but we'll see. Ian! What's up, bro? Oh, he's home, bro. He told me to come downstairs and check something on the couch for today's video, which I'll explain. Let's go, bro! What the f— I don't trust this for a moment. Brand mystery box for video, Ian. The hell does that say? Keep it. We're filming today, boys. Let's go. So there's a clip. You can tell I'm a little skeptical. We actually have it right here. I have shook it a lot. And it doesn't sound like the pizza that was left in it, so I'm a little pissed about that. I ordered pizza last night. And Ian wrote on this brand mystery box for video, and then keep it. So dude's looking out. Either we're gonna be mad friends after this still, or he put shit in it again, and then I'll have to kill it. I always have with him. And then he tries to get me back on videos, and he has before. So I think it's a freaking goof, to be honest. And I'm like, I haven't even texted him to thank him yet, because I haven't actually opened it. But here's a mystery box from Ian. It sounds like something heavy, and it honestly could be shit in a bag, and I would not be surprised in the slightest. But here's our mystery box from today's, from Shorty Pizzas, actually. Horrible pizza. Man, it was alright. It was alright. I didn't pay for it. My boy paid for it, so I shouldn't say that. But it was really good, bro, if you're watching. My bad. The company was bad. Your company was horrible. The pizza was fine. Anyway, there's our mystery box. Clutch Ian the cameraman, boys. Give him a shout out down below. Probably gonna get bomb in this or something, but you know, probably can't say that on YouTube. But let's go, man. I have zero expectations except the fact, my only expectation is I think I'm gonna be freaking mad. But it's content, boys. When the packages are held up, your boys come to your rescue. Let's go, man. Actually, I'm gonna need a drink for this one. I ain't gonna lie. No, never mind. If it's shit, I'm puking out my drink. So, no, never mind. That'd be a bad call. All right, let's go. I'm nervous, bro. I don't like anything gross, and you can fit anything gross in this. It could be a bucket of pee that's about this big. They sell jars that tiny, boys. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. You did it to me, bro. Fuck you, Ian. No, we're just gonna man up, boys. If I puke, I puke, and it's a funny video. We got, it looks like black in a bag. I smell it. I think I smell it, bro. Oh. Oh, you asshole. It's not. I just caught a glimpse of that. Holy shit, it's a jewelry bag. It's not shit. Oh, but there's probably in the jewelry bag, isn't there? I don't know. No, there's not. Holy shit. I feel horrible. I'm gonna have to leave all the bad things I was gonna say about you, Ian. Like, you're a piece of crap. I didn't trust you for a second. You're a horrible friend at points. I was gonna say all that, but I retract what I was gonna say because this is a fucking jewelry bag. But that's not jewelry. Okay, I don't know what the f this is now. Gold and Silver Pawn Shop, Las Vegas. What the fuck would that be? Alright, let's go, boys. I gotta go blow my nose quick. Sorry, I'm really not trying to drag this on, but that just freaked me out. Anyway, we're just going through with boys. Screw it. I have zero idea. Holy shit! Yeah! You guys won't give a hell about this. Unfortunately, Ian, good try, but the viewers won't care. No, I'm just kidding. Holy frick, dude. It's his megalodon tooth. Oh, that's a giant shark. Oh my, dude, I'm displaying. He said I could keep it. No, I can't take that. Man, my emotions. I am displaying it right away with my Sasquatch footprints. Holy fuck. This is the old prehistoric 300 billion year old shark or something. It's the giant tooth. That's what the bag is. Oh, I don't know what it is. Gold and Silver Pawn Shop. That was the Pawn Stars shop we went to when we filmed the video with Chum-Li. I bought this with him. Holy crap. Well, boys, I don't think anyone cares. That's content. You got me gagging. Uncontrollably. My chest hurts now. I just wanted to come on and talk anyway, so f it. Megalodon tooth, boys. I can't accept this. Dude, I'm gonna text Ian. If he comes home in enough time where I'm editing this video, I don't know where the hell he is right now, but he does school late sometimes or whatever, or work, I'm not even sure. I don't ask where he goes, then I'll get his, my thank you to him, but boys, oh, that's a prehistoric megalodon tooth from Pawn Stars, authenticated. My lord. I don't know what else to say, boys. I mean, I can't review it because nobody probably cares, but I care way too much. Like I said, the Sasquatch footprint's going right with it. Or maybe I gift him the Sasquatch foot. That'd be nice. In return. I don't know, boys. I gotta go. I'm stoked. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna take pictures of this in the good sunlight and like send, I don't know, like put it on Instagram or something. Appreciate y'all. Bye. They worked out. Oh god, am I sweaty, boys. Wow. I can't handle that type of thing, bro. Whew. Appreciate you. Good to be back. In no good fashion.